Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to sign in to your Township account with your Google account. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Township app on your mobile device and wait for the game to load completely. Once you're in this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu button. In the expanded pop-up menu at the top right, click on the gear button. Now, from the settings menu, click on Save Progress. From the sign-in options, select Sign in with Google and then enter your Google account's email or phone number and your password. After typing down your credentials correct, you will then be able to sign in with your Google account. The game will be now connected with your Google account successfully. Now your progress is saved and you can play on multiple devices without losing data. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Township tutorials. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.